In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add motion blur to a video in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if your video is already in progress. Either option works the same for this process, so just choose the one that fits your workflow. After your project is open, add a video to the timeline. This is important because motion blur needs to be applied to an actual clip, so make sure the video you want to edit is placed in the timeline and ready to work with. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This step matters because CapCut only shows clip-specific settings when the clip is highlighted. If nothing is selected, you may not see the controls you need. With the clip selected, move over to the right-hand panel and click the Adjust tab. This is where CapCut groups together visual settings that affect the appearance of your video. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct tab before continuing. Now, locate the motion blur section. Depending on your layout or app version, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Once you see it, enable motion blur to turn the effect on. As soon as it's activated, you'll unlock the controls that let you fine-tune the look. Start by finding the blur slider. Drag this slider to adjust the blur intensity. A lower setting creates a subtle effect, while a higher setting makes movement look more dramatic and streaked. The best choice depends on the style you want and how much motion is already happening in the clip. After that, locate the blend slider. Drag the blend slider to adjust the blending effect. This setting helps control how the blurred frames mix with the original image, which can make the effect feel softer or more pronounced. Then, find the direction drop-down menu and select your preferred blur direction. This is useful because motion doesn't always feel the same in every shot. Choosing the right direction can make the effect look more natural and better match to the movement in your footage. Once those settings are in place, review the preview window. Click the play button to preview the effect and watch how the motion blur looks during playback. This is the best time to evaluate whether the blur feels smooth, balanced, and visually appropriate. If needed, go back and adjust the settings until you're happy with the result. When everything looks right, confirm that the motion blur effect has been successfully applied. And that's how to add motion blur to a video in CapCut Desktop.